Hello. Today we will see the topic Parents and Children Should Be Aware of This, Part 1. So, next video we will see the solution for this Part 1. In this COVID situation, which began on 2020, number of gadgets like mobiles, laptops, tablets, etc. increased in a vast number, but many people got trapped to some situations or some issues. In this section, we will see most commonly created issues due to this gadget usage. So the first one is called image uploading. It means simply upload images of your mobile or laptop. They will save these pictures and in return they will pay you in dollars. But the important thing is for installing this app itself, they will ask permission to share our images and contacts in our mobile. This is not good because they can misuse that. That may be a serious issue in the future. So this is not necessary for our present generation people. And the second one is invest money. It may be a small amount, but here also they will get all our information. Many got trapped in this policy due to this low payment like 50 or 100 rupees. But when lots of people join it, it will become a huge amount. The third one is simple edit work. Here also they will get our details. Also, it's a time waste. It's not as simple as they are saying. Also, our children will lose their valuable time. Fourth one is watching ads. So everyone will be having a shocking like that watching ads. Will it pay any amount? It's just like simply watch ads, you will get money. The main purpose of this is to make their site very busy, also to get more number of contacts from your own contact list. The fifth one is make survey. This is not much common in India. We have to fill forms like feedback and make the website busy. Here also they will ask permission from us to access our contacts. So they will get more contacts from our mobiles. Sixth one is instant loan. During this pandemic situation, money was a major problem to us. Without dealing with bank, if you give your details and some ID proof, they will give you a loan in a short period of time. If you didn't pay back with huge interest, they will torture you like they will take contacts from your mobile and will make a group like WhatsApp group. Finally, they will post that you are a fraud or cheat, etc. So they will insist or force you to pay that amount. So there are people who taken 30,000 to 40,000 and in return they paid almost 2 to 3 lakhs. This is called instant loan. Eighth one is called app installing. Install apps and you will get money. Here also they will get permission from us to access our gallery and contact in mobile. Recently, a techie in Hyderabad suicided. Investigation team disclosed almost 38 apps were installed in his mobile during this time. Ninth one is called data entry. It's common. Even we can see in newspaper, our students used to fall in such activities. They will train you taking certain fee and finally, if we do work, they will tell us our work is not perfect and because of that, they can't pay you. This may mentally hurt our students. And 10th one is called medical transcription. Almost procedure is like data entry. They will train you, take huge amount as fee. After that, you won't be getting any amount in return based on your work. There may be 2 to 5% genuine company doing this thing, but our students mostly fall in the remaining 95% probably. 11th, it's called online gaming. Our youth are generally influenced by online games because they have a dynamically active brain when we compare with other age groups. But mostly they are losing lots of time and money. In addition to that, they even show some games usage may affect them mentally. Online game addiction even leads to suicide. 12th one is called net banking. Technology increases, so crime also increases. Recently, a person lost 25 lakhs from his account. It was really shocking. People who did this crime even created a new SIM of same number and they got the OTP from bank. Thus, they transferred money without the knowledge of the account holder. 13th one is called money chain. Online money chain is common nowadays. It's simply you have to refer members. More reference means more money. And the 14th one is called voice tampering. It means your voice. You have to give voice just like dubbing. So here also you have to give your basic informations. They can access your mobile. So this is not good for our students community. Once Les Brown said like, do what is easy and your life will be hard. And do what is hard and your life will be easier. So during this COVID situation, many people had followed this shortcut to attain money, but they went to a trap. So shortcut is not good for our life. You have to put effort. It will exist long. Thank you for watching my channel. If you liked, please share and subscribe. Thank you.